Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the curator of the museum.
Hello, Dr. Pan. I'm Greg. I came here to learn about COG LCD Module.
Hello, Greg.
COG is the abbreviation for chip on glass. It is a technology which IC is bonded directly onto ITO glass. COG technology is usually used in small-sized dot matrix monochrome LCD module and TFT LCD module. COG LCD module is so popular because of the following reasons. Number 1. It can greatly reduce the size of the LCD module because it doesn't have PCB and it can be as thin as 2 millimeters, maybe thinner. The thinner, the more expensive. Number 2. It is simple structure and easy for mass production of consumer electronic products, such as mobile phone, PDA, and portable devices, etc. Number 3. It is cost-effective over COB LCD and can totally replace COB LCD in function, especially in graphic LCD modules, because it reduces the number of ICs. Number 4. For some dot matrix LCD modules, it is not possible to apply COB LCD technology because it is too crowded to place so many points on the view area. COG LCD is an economical and feasible solution because the pitch is smaller. Number 5. It is replaceable. It is so easy to replace COG LCD module with FPC connection if it is malfunctioned.
Thank you, Dr. Pan. Now I got it.
You are welcome to contact us if you have any questions.